Alright everybody, this is a follow-up to my first video. I actually bought another Red Lion 1 horsepower pump. Thought my other pump was maybe I beat it up, or the iron in my well ran it out, but it didn't. I just had some above ground issues and some actual well issues. Let me show you what happened at my well. Let's show you first, before I get down to my well, I actually punched in a plastic well, not a galvanized steel pipe, so I want to show you how that worked. But let me just show you how quick and how far these jets go. This thing really cranks. Runs at less pressure now than before. I'm using a 5-foot plastic Brady well point instead of a 3 or 4 foot galvanized well point, and this thing's unbelievable. My well's down there, if you remember, but here she comes up. And she's going to come up with pressure. If I had a bigger tank, maybe it would come up quicker. It's a little 1 gallon tank. It doesn't add pressure. It just like if you have a little leak, it prevents it gives it some place to hold some water under pressure to push water out if you have a leak. It holds water so the pump doesn't keep priming or going on and off, cycling, sorry. So you could have bigger tanks that hold more water, but I don't need a bigger tank to hold water because I have unlimited water. I punched down a plastic 5-foot Brady well point with 1.25" plastic PVC down 15 feet. So it starts, the well point starts at 15 and goes to 19. Wow. Yeah, this thing's really cranking. Anyway, you can see I got my pool all set up. But here's the sprinkler heads. Right here I got 6 running. I don't know if it's easy to see. And it's quite easy to do. Let me just show you the well. So here's what only 5 sprinkler heads look like when it's running. You can see I'm getting massive throw from those sprinkler heads. Really solid. I have 3 gallon per minute, 2, 1 gallon. I do have some 1 gallon per minute places, but you can see getting massive pressure and high throw. And that's 5 heads running. And I could show you, come down here, what I do with my well. I could see I just trenched it in. That's the sprinkler head really cranking. I mean, look at that, huh? I mean, there's nothing better than seeing all those sprinkler heads going. Yeah, we're in a hot day right now, so. But here you can see the well that I dug. I broke my pipe when I drove the 1.25" galvanized well down. I broke the pipe 5 feet down, so I had to get a hole, dig it down, and put a coupling in and try to fix it. So I thought I had a problem down that coupling this year because I had pressure problems at the top. It really ended up only being control zone issues. But I decided to push down another well, and if you can see, I woke up, once I had dug the 5-foot hole here, I dug a whole 5-foot hole here, and I already had water, because there's kind of wetlands down there. Hit water around 5.5 feet in the spring. So once I hit water, I was able to punch down, you can see that's PVC, the 5-foot Brady well pipe, and actually it shouldn't be bending this far forward. That's all right, it's solid. Put it in there, so that's that. And what else was I going to show you? Oh, this is how I did it. So I woke up after trying to flush down the pipe with a mud sucker that didn't work so well, like that. I tried flushing it like you see on the internet. Forget that. If you can hit water at 5 feet like I did. This thing is old. It's only a piece of 3/4 inch PVC jammed in a dumbbell. I don't know if you can see that. Talk about lighting. That thing. So you literally just put the well point down, glued a 5-foot, we only do 5-foot sections, 1.25" PVC, and just pushed it down a little bit, the well point. Actually with this goes in the pipe, and this falls right down onto the pipe. And I just kept doing this. And the first 5 feet went down in about 30 seconds. Next 5 feet went about 3 minutes. And then the last 5 feet, because I only went down 15 feet, because here I've already dug up 5. Last 5 feet took about 5 minutes. So I was able to punch that well down in about 20 minutes. All right, any questions, let me know. But 5-foot Brady 1.25" well point, plastic, with 1.25" well pipe. And now I don't have to worry about the iron corroding my galvanized well screen. I'm not using it. That's it. Oh, yeah, people